For today's recipe, I'll be making a cabbage stir fry that takes 20 minutes to make using just 5 ingredients. This recipe is also perfect for anyone who's following a vegan, a vegetarian, keto, or even a low-carb diet. To make this recipe, you will need half a head of cabbage which has been cut into thin strips, 2 pods of garlic sliced fine, 1 medium-sized onion sliced fine, some curry leaves. Now if you don't have any curry leaves, you can substitute that with a bay leaf, 2-3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, salt as you need, and half a lime. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's make the cabbage stir fry. First, add the sliced cabbage into a large frying pan. Cook them over low-medium fire until they wilt. This would probably take you about 7 minutes. Once you notice the cabbage softening, pour in the oil and continue to cook. Add the onions, curry leaves, which you can substitute with a bay leaf, garlic, and some turmeric powder. Combine all these ingredients with the cabbage. Continue to cook for another 3 minutes and then add the chili flakes as well as the salt. Once you start adding the salt, as you cook, make sure that you taste and check that the seasonings and the spices that you add are all balanced well. Continue to cook until you have all the ingredients mixed well. Finally, squeeze in some lime juice, mix it in, and that's all that you have to do to make a cabbage stir fry. Thanks for watching, and if you need the written recipe and serving ideas my readers have tried, head on to my blog, the address which I've given below on the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like and follow, and stay tuned for more video recipes that you can try at home.